Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dog Man, Fetch-22, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 3, The Discovery. The next day...
You wanted to see me, Larry?
My name is Sam.
Whatever.
Take a chair.
Okay, I'll take this one.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
You said I could take
Sit down!
I'm still keeping the chair, Larry.
Look, we've had tons of complaints about your show. You're mean to the children, you're rude to the staff, you don't show up to work, you tell lies constantly, you steal people's lunches, you've got poor hygiene, you're the worst employee we've ever had!
Oh, yeah? Well, you're a boss.
Oh, get out of here! You're fired!
That's not fair!
Meanwhile, what you doing, kid?
I just made a discovery, Papa. Supa Brain Dots contain a chemical called TR2. In high doses, it causes Supa anger. Look, this morning an ant stole one of my Supa Brain Dots, and she started eating it. First, she got psychokinetic brain powers, and she started moving things with her mind. Then came the Supa anger. I drew these fliporamas to show the progression.
The progressive stages of Supa anger in Fliporama. Ready? Stage 1, Anger, Ant vs. Ant, 11:15 a.m. Stage 2, Angrier, Ant vs. Beetle, 11:17 a.m. Stage 3, Supa anger, Ant vs. Kid with magnifying glass, 11:30 a.m. Okay, so what?
This proves that Flippy was innocent.
Flippy? Isn't he that bionic fish who tried to kill me?
Yeah, but it wasn't his fault. The overdose of GR2 made him super angry. That's why they put him in fish jail. But he's changed, Papa. He's my friend now. He's even in my comic club, see? We make comics for each other every day.
I don't want you getting involved with that crazy fish.
It's too late, Papa. I already sent my findings to Sarah. She's gonna do a news story about it.
Ugh. Alright, let's go!
Where?
I need you to hold the ladder for me.
Why?
Your grandpa stole the letters from our sign, so I'm gonna put some new letters up.
Hey, what happened to Grandpa?
He got busted by the cops. He's in cat jail now.
Oh, we should visit him.
Are you crazy? I never want to see that guy again!
But he's your Papa.
Yeah, and he betrayed me.
But he's my Grandpa.
He betrayed you too. Trust me, that guy doesn't care about anybody but himself.
But Papa...
We are not visiting your grandpa, and that is final! Chapter 4, Visiting Grandpa.
Hi, I'm Sarah Hathoff with breaking news. A drug company has recalled all jars of Supa Brain Dots.
But don't worry, folks. Right now, my most trusted officer is going to every store in the city and collecting all jars of this dangerous drug. With Dog Man in charge, what could possibly go wrong?
Really?
Meanwhile...
Hey! Aren't you going to recycle those jars at least?
Meanwhile...
It's so unfair. I can't believe Larry fired me.
I can. He should have fired you a long time ago, dude.
Nobody asked you, downward dog.
What else?
I must get my revenge. I must find a way to make things fair. Let me think. What I need is a miracle. Mirror, mirror by the tree, who's the fairest? Is it me?
Yeah!
Who said that?
I did!
What the heck is that thing?
I think it's a tadpole, dude. Hi.
Are you her mama?
Look, there's 2 of them. I think she's her mama. She's a nice mommy.
I love you, Mom.
I love her too.
Now there's 4, 5, 7, 10. Where are they all coming from?
Hello, Mommy.
What's up, Mom? Hi, Mom.
I think they're hatching right now.
Why are they all calling me Mom?
Dude, it's called imprinting. Look it up.
18?
Hiya, Mommy.
Mom, look at me.
She's the best mommy
19?
I've ever had.
She's so awesome. You love me,
20?
Mom. She's so pretty. 21? 22?
Why are you crying, dude?
It's not fair. All I asked for was a miracle. But instead, I got 22 baby tadpoles who think I'm their mom. And stop calling me dude!
Meanwhile, I can't believe you talked me into visiting your grandpa. He's just going to betray us again.
Maybe he will, maybe he won't. But don't you think we should give him another chance?
No, I don't. You can't just go around trusting everybody.
I know, Papa. Some people are hard to love. That just means you gotta try harder. Hey, Papa, guess what?
What?
You're easy to love.
Yeah, I know. And so... Oh, Gramps!
What?
Hey, what's going on? Are you concocting some sort of sleep gas or something?
No.
Oh, good. That's a relief. Well, come with me. You've got 2 visitors.
I knew they'd come. Hang on a second. All right, let's go see those visitors. Hi, guys. I've missed you so much, son.
Yeah, right.
And I missed you most of all, little Ralphie.
Li'l Petey.
Yeah, Li'l Petey. That's what I said. Look, I brought you a present.
Thanks, Grandpa.
And I even brought something for me. A pin and a gas mask.
No, wait!
Don't worry, it's just a harmless sleep gas. By the time you wake up, I'll be free.